Going to talk about C sharp typecasting. In C sharp, there are two types of casting: implicit casting, explicit casting. Implicit casting converts a smaller type to a larger type size. Example: character to integer, integer to long, long to float, float to double. We will see this example in the program. Let me go to Visual Studio to demonstrate implicit casting. So here, launch the Visual Studio, click File, New, Project, select Console Application, Next, Typecasting is the project name. Create. It creates the program with the empty main function. Now let me create two variables, one integer, another variable is double. Here we are assigning the integer variable into double. Print the integer variable and double variable both. And I have a console.read line. To wait for the user input. Let me compile and start the project. Build is started. It is compiling. Succeeded. It is displaying. So if you see here, we assigned integer number 9 and the double, we assign the integer variable into double variable, and we print both integer variable and the double variable. Both values are same. So this is implicit casting. If you have any questions, please ask in our comments. We will answer your questions in our YouTube channel. The question can be any tech questions, not just related to this program. Thank you.